Hey everybody, welcome back, and now we're doing Cars 3.
What? Good. Now remember, you can change lanes whenever you want. Won't slow you down. You know, this looks awesome.
Hey, opposite. Me, right? Anymore, or should no? A slow-mo awesome.
Want another dance? Get ready to meet it, greet it, and defeat it. Just a scratch. Yeah.
I'm fine with the song. Like that. The 30. I mean 30. Whatever. Just celebrate.
Not bad. I'm seeing history in the making. Well, go on. Open it. What a haul.
I really like this game.
Now that you've earned some coins, I got an idea. Use those coins you earned on a shiny new upgrade. Nice. Remember, you got okay. Better than ever. Welcome back. Let's do this. Are you
See,
ready?
later this was just an eye try.